In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and format text in Google Docs. By the end, you'll feel confident making your document look clean, readable, and professional. First, editing text is as simple as clicking where you want to make a change and typing. If you need to replace a word or a sentence, click and drag to highlight it, then type to overwrite. Made a mistake? Use undo to revert your last action and keep going without worry. Next, let's talk about changing the font, size, and color using the toolbar. Select the text, open the font menu to pick a typeface, and choose a size that suits your content. For most documents, 11 or 12 points works well for body text. To add emphasis or improve contrast, use the text color button and select a readable shade. Darker colors are easier on the eyes. Remember, text color changes the letters themselves, while highlight color adds a background behind the text. For emphasis and hierarchy, apply bold, italic, underline, or strike through. You can click the toolbar buttons or use shortcuts to move faster. Control or Command plus B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. Strike through is also available right from the toolbar in many layouts. These options help guide the reader's attention without overcomplicating your design. Alignment controls how your text sits on the page. Use left, center, right, or justify from the toolbar or the format menu. Left alignment is standard for most writing. Center alignment works well for titles. Right alignment is handy for dates or signatures, and justify spreads text evenly from margin to margin, which can look polished in reports. To improve readability, adjust line spacing and paragraph spacing under Format, then Line and Paragraph spacing. Line spacing sets the vertical space within a paragraph. 1.15 or 1.5 is comfortable for reading. Paragraph spacing adds space before or after a paragraph, which helps separate sections without inserting empty lines. When you need structure, apply bullets or numbered lists using the toolbar. Highlight your lines and click the list icon to convert them into a clear, organized list. Press Enter to add new items, Tab to indent, and Shift plus Tab to move an item back out. Finally, for quick case changes, highlight text and go to Format, Text, Capitalization. Choose uppercase, lowercase, or title case to standardize headings, subheadings, or labels. That's it. With these tools, you can edit text, adjust its appearance, control spacing, organize information, and fix capitalization, all while keeping your document clean and consistent.